Torrential slide value equivalent to $9.0020 a coin. The present reach: $8.9000, $9.0580. The earlier day close: $8.9500. The change was plus 0.0520, plus 0.58%. Opposite rate: United States dollars to Avax. Torrential slide value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Torrential slide cost forecast for September 2023. First and foremost cost at $9.98. Greatest cost $10.14, least cost $8.37. The normal for the month $9.38. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $9.04, change for September 9.4%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for October 2023. To start with cost at $9.04. Greatest cost $9.77, least cost $7.38. The normal for the month $8.83. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $9.13, change for October 1.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for November 2023. Initially cost at $9.13. Most extreme cost $9.13, least cost $7.13. The normal for the month $8.27. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $7.67, change for November 16.0%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for December 2023. Before all else cost at $7.67. Most extreme cost $8.08, least cost $7.02. The normal for the month $7.58. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $7.55, change for December 1.6%. Torrential slide cost expectation for January 2024. First and foremost cost at $7.55. Greatest cost $7.55, least cost $6.48. The normal for the month $7.14. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $6.97, change for January 7.7%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for February 2024. In the first place cost at $6.97. Greatest cost $6.97, least cost $5.44. The normal for the month $6.31. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $5.85, change for February 16.1%. Torrential slide cost expectation for WALK 2024. Before all else cost at $5.85. Most extreme cost $6.05, least cost $5.25. The normal for the month $5.70. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $5.65, change for spring 3.4%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for April 2024. At the outset cost at $5.65. Most extreme cost $6.28, least cost $5.46. The normal for the month $5.82. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $5.87, change for April 3.9%. Torrential slide cost expectation for May 2024. In the first place cost at $5.87. Greatest cost $5.87, least cost $4.73. The normal for the month $5.39. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $5.09, change for May 13.3%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for June 2024. Initially cost at $5.09. Most extreme cost $6.31, least cost $5.09. The normal for the month $5.60. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $5.90, change for June 15.9%. Torrential slide cost expectation for July 2024. First and foremost cost at $5.90. Greatest cost $5.90, least cost $4.61. The normal for the month $5.34. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $4.96, change for July 15.9%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for August 2024. To start with cost at $4.96. Greatest cost $4.96, least cost $3.88. The normal for the month $4.49. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $4.17, change for August 15.9%. Torrential slide cost expectation for September 2024. Initially cost at $4.17. Most extreme cost $5, least cost $4.17. The normal for the month $4.50. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $4.67, change for September 12.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for November 2025. Before all else cost at $3.03. Most extreme cost $3.76, least cost $3.03. The normal for the month $3.33. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $3.51, change for November 15.8%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for December 2025. First and foremost cost at $3.51. Greatest cost $4.25, least cost $3.51. The normal for the month $3.81. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $3.97, change for December 13.1%. Torrential slide cost expectation for January 2026. To start with cost at $3.97. Greatest cost $3.97, least cost $3.10. The normal for the month $3.59. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $3.33, change for January 16.1%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for February 2026. In the first place cost at $3.33. Greatest cost $3.33, least cost $2.60. The normal for the month $3.02. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $2.80, change for February 15.9%. Torrential slide cost expectation for WALK 2026. At the outset cost at $2.80. Most extreme cost $3.48, least cost $2.80. The normal for the month $3.08. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $3.25, change for spring 16.1%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for April 2026. First and foremost cost at $3.25. Greatest cost $4.03, least cost $3.25. The normal for the month $3.58. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $3.77, change for April 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for May